to the 23rd Gabriel Flash Elorde Boxing Awards Banquet of Champions.
Nakikilabutan ako pag naririnig ko yung ano, and just how great he was as a fighter. Nakikita mo talaga na he was ahead of his time.
We are truly honored to be amongst the best and the brightest Filipino boxers, pro and amateur. Ito pong gabing ito ay para sa inyo. Mabuhay po ang boksingerong Pilipino.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, I was building on a lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme. The true style trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one shot for the kill. The breeze cut, freeze up, straight dropping the chills. I'm talking taking over pieces and shares. A bomb big sky high. Check the movement is here. Yeah. It's one heart, one shot. Now the future is yours. Go. Turning dreams into reality. In the lab with the formula and chemistry. Your memories spark and motivate and make the industry shake. We put the balls in the brakes. I'm talking one chance at best, yes. Painting pictures for the culture, keep the brushes fresh. Flip the cover, work the drummer, passion never rests. Freedom is a teacher under pressure, now we blessed. See how it's so close for the go. There's one art, one shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah. It's one art, one shot, now the future is yours. Go!
Tonight po, we celebrate the legacy of our greatest champion, Gabriel Flash Elorde. Kahit po wala na siya dito, we can still feel his presence and his support sa boxing community sa pamamagitan po ng pamilya niya, ang Elorde family.
Last message to all of you, and it says, I am happy that the Elorde family, through my sons Bebot, Johnny, and Marty, continue to develop the sports by taking care of young boys in their stables. These young boys would be better off inside the gym than be in the streets and expose themselves to the vices that may destroy their life and future.
Very sure that our Filipino champions now will be world champions dahil po ang dugo na nananalaytay sa ating pong great Flash Elorde ay yun din po ang dugo na nananalaytay sa ating pambansang kamao, si Senator Manny Pacquiao, at yun din po ang dugo na nananalaytay sa ating mga boksingerong Pilipino.
Magtulungan lang po tayong itaguyod ang Philippine boxing at ipagdiwang ang pamana ni Gabriel Flash Elorde.
Magandang halimbawa ang ipinakita sa atin ng ating mahal na Gabriel Flash Ilorde. Siya ang nagbigay ng inspirasyon sa atin upang manatiling matatag sa bawat hamon ng buhay. Ating ipagpatuloy ang kanyang alaala sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay ng buong suporta sa larangan ng boxing.